Alright guys, let me explain. The reason why your website look weird is because you never try to make it more professional. You want to properly set your site up and make it more enticing and more professional. That's why your website look weird. There are many ways that you can make your website more enticing and professional. So let me quickly show you some things that you can do to your website so that you make it look professional. So here is what you can do. You want to add your site title right here. As you can see, this website here look weird. It is just a website that doesn't even doesn't have tagline, doesn't have site title. There's no menu here, and there's nothing that can tell us what's the name of the website at all. So you want to add the title of the website here. You have tagline. Then you also want to add menu here, and you also want to add the header background here so that to make it more professional. So let's quickly do. Let me show you how to do that very quick. So to add title of your website, you want to go to customize right there. If you have any logo, you may want to download your logo here. So let's download the logo from. So let's say I want to use this logo here. Now here is our logo. So you want to see all your logo, you want to name there you see all your logo. Now select. Now you may want to crop it or leave it uncropped. Yeah. So the logo has been added. Let's say I want to use the logo. I want to use this logo for the site icon also. So let's add that. Let's keep cropping. And there is it. Now we've added our site logo and site icon. Now let's add site title. Yes. Now let's added our site title, and our website is now starting to look professional, as you can see right here. It's not starting to take shape. So now let's add tagline to our website. This tagline is the slug of our brand. So just want to give some slug here. Let's say fitness fit wide tips. And that is it right there. So when you finish, you hit publish. And let's see how it looks like now. Now our website look a little bit professional with the name of the title and the tagline. Now let's add menu here. Let's add some menu here. So to add menu to your website, you want to go down here and go to menus. So you want to create a menu. To create a menu, go create new menu. So now I want to name our menu. You can name it anything you like. I want to name this main menu. You can name it menu 1, menu 2, menu 3. So I've named this new menu. Then when you finish, you hit create menu. Now that we've created our menu, let's add our pages, post, custom link or category. Okay, so here you can add your pages to the menu. You can add your post to the menu. You can add custom link to the menu. You can add your categories to the menu. So for example, let's add these pages to our menu here. To add them, you just tick this boxes here and add them to the menu. Now our pages has been added to the menu. If you have posts, you can also just click the post here, then they will show up at the top. Then you tick them and add them to the menu, as well as the custom link and categories. So now, let's say I want the blog to be at the top after the home. Just drag it and drop it down. I want the contact to be after the about. Okay, right there. Now let's save. Now our menu has been saved. So I want to use this menu right now, this main menu that I've created here. I want to use it as main menu. To do that, you want to scroll down here and tick this display location, primary menu currently set. Now this menu now has been set to the primary menu. So if any of our visitors come to our website, they will see easily have access to our blog, about, contact, affiliate policy, and the home page. So right now, what we're going to do now is save menu. So now let's go and see how our website looks like in real life. So our website is now looking great. So if our visitors visit this website now, can easily access the blog, can still get in touch with us or know about us, contact us, and see our affiliate policy right there. Okay, so let's say I want to make this menu drop down. I want to make the menu drop down. I want to make this and this to be under about. So let's go back to our menu again. I'll make it more professional. So I want I want contact to be under the about. I'll just drag it to the right there, and that is it. So now let's save. And this is our website, and that is it. Now I have a drop down menu right there. Drop down menu, the logo, the site title, and site tagline. Now let's say I want down here. I want to add menu to the footer right there. Okay, so that when our user come here, visitors come here, they can also see menu at the footer. So let's try and add a footer to the downside, to the footer side. So go to the menus again. So you want to create new menu. We are going to create new menu. Click that and call it footer menu. You can call it any name you like. Then you hit create menu. Now you want to go to your pages again, or post, or categories, or custom link. So you want to add them. You want to add it to the menu. So let's add these pages again to the menu. Oh, about, affiliate. And let's add them to the menu. Okay, now we add them to the menu. So we want to save. You don't want to click anything right there. We are not using this for the primary menu. You just want to create it. We are going to be using it at the footer side. So let's save menu. So right now, to insert this menu to the footer, we're going to go to widgets. Through the widgets, we're going to do that through the widgets. Let's go to widgets right here. The widgets will allow us to do that very easily without. So now let's see how so now our website look great and professional. We have our logo right here. We have the title of the website. We have tagline. We have homepage. We have blog. We have about. We have contact. We have affiliate policy on our menu here. And we have our footer right there. We have searching box here. And our website is now looking more professional. So that is how you build your website to make how you make your website look professional rather than weird. So guys, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you like and what you don't like about this video. Subscribe to this channel and I'll show you more ways to make your website look more beautiful and professional. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.